chihuahua trying to give birth to a rhino. Ugh. Oh, right, I totally suck at putting zips in, so please don't judge me for what you're about to see. I've triple measured. The zip is slightly shorter than this edge of the cushion, and I've just triple measured so that I can sew these two ends in, get those nice and snug and kind of just tied off really nicely at the ends, and so that they don't come unstitched. And that'll leave this hole which this zip will go in. This zip is an invisible zip which I've never used before, but to be honest there is zero probability this zip will be invisible, but I'm fine with that. So if I can just get a zip in at all, I'll be happy, because I just really am so bad at it. Once I've sewn these two ends, I'm going to tack this in place so that I've got a better chance of it being straight. So let's go. This bit's the easy bit. Read the instruction book. I'm very proud of myself. I'm using a zip foot, I think, for the first time. So you sew it with the right side up, and yeah, just go from there. So let's have a look and see how this goes. not invisible, but that turned out really cool. Awesome. I did a zip. I did a zip all by myself. Yay! All of this into here through this tiny little zip hole. So once I've got this in, hopefully it will make those wrinkles look a bit better because it will be being pushed out by this stuff in. There's a kind of knack for doing this, which I've forgotten. Chihuahua trying to give birth to a rhino. In you go. So into the corners. There we go, finished. And the zip looks awesome. That's so cool. Let me bring you in to look closer. Here it is finished. Oh God, it looks so great with our space patchwork quilt and with our other astronomy cushions. I could not be happier with how this turned out. I think the cushion cover could do with just being a centimetre smaller on each side, so I may go back round and stitch again. That way the cushion will fill it a little bit better. But you know, in general, I think it's awesome. I have made cushion covers before, but I've not made as good a job of the zip as I did with this one. I am super thrilled with how well the zip turned out. yes, it's not invisible and it's supposed to be, but it's not in your face, you won't notice it really. It's probably the neatest zip that I've ever actually sewn in. We'll ignore the puckering and wrinkling, we're good. Not striving for perfection. But yeah, I think this looks really cool with our other cushions. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Take care, I'll see you in the next one.